Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we are reviewing what we believe to be the best smart AC register booster fan, the BIOWIND Quiet Register Booster Fan. If you've ever struggled with uneven room temperatures or inefficient HVAC systems, this fan could be a game changer for you. Let's take a closer look at why it stands out. The BIOWIND Quiet Register Booster Fan is designed to improve the airflow from your HVAC system, making sure every room in your home stays comfortable. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, or home office, this fan works tirelessly to eliminate those cold spots or overheated areas. With its 10-speed options, you can adjust the airflow according to your needs, balancing comfort and noise level effortlessly. One of the standout features of this fan is its smart functionality. Equipped with a high-precision temperature sensor, the BIOWIND fan can automatically turn on or off based on the temperature in your room, ensuring that your HVAC system works at its best, saving you energy and reducing electricity costs. With its intelligent programming, you don't even need to think about it. It works on its own to maintain optimal temperatures. Convenience is key with this product. The BIOWIND fan comes with a remote control, allowing you to adjust settings from anywhere in the room. No more getting up to change the settings. Just sit back and relax while you enjoy a perfectly cooled or heated space. Plus, its compact design means it can fit into various spaces with ease, whether it's wall-mounted or placed on the floor. Another benefit is its energy-saving capabilities. This booster fan is far more efficient than traditional air conditioning or cooling devices. It uses airflow to enhance the temperature control in your home, making sure that every bit of heat or cold air is utilized, even after your HVAC system shuts off. This ensures you're not wasting any energy and keeps your utility bills in check. The BIOWIND fan is also whisper quiet, operating at just 18 decibels, which is quieter than a whisper, so you can enjoy the comfort of your home without the distraction of loud fans. It's ideal for any room where you need quiet, such as a bedroom or home office. Setting it up is a breeze. The fan is designed for easy installation and is compatible with 4x10-inch register holes, but there are other sizes available to suit different needs. It's a plug-and-play device, so you can have it up and running in no time without complicated setup. In terms of design, the BIOWIND fan offers a sleek, modern look with a glossy white finish that fits well with any home decor. It's not just functional but stylish as well. To sum it up, the BIOWIND Quiet Register Booster Fan offers a smart, efficient, and quiet solution to optimize your HVAC system's performance. With its energy-saving features, easy setup, and remote control functionality, it's truly a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their home comfort. If you're tired of uneven temperatures in your home, the BIOWIND fan might be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and we hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review of the best products on the market.